guys, it's Portia here at Shoes of Hollywood. I'm going to be reviewing these beautiful shoes, and they are Delight. They are 6-inch heeled with a 1 3/4 platform, and they come in this absolutely beautiful box. Cute little butterflies here by Pleaser. So I'm going to take them out. I'll show you what they look like. So this is them. Absolutely beautiful. They've got a beautiful sole, nice heel here, lovely comfy cushion at the back for your ankle. Same with the tongue. So very supportive. So I'm going to show you how to put them on. And you can see here I've got this nice socket, so it slides in nice and easy. Zip them all the way here. Absolutely beautiful shoe, so comfortable and supportive. So let's go for a walk. They're so comfortable, I think I could wear these all day. So I'm going to show you them side on. That nice platform they have there. 6-inch heel. Beautiful fabric. I'm going to go for a walk. See what they look like in the mirror here. Follow me. So there we have it, guys. Time to take them off. I could wear these all night with the girls' night out. They're that comfortable. Beautiful tread that they have on here, so I won't slip over. And having them already laced, you just need to zip them on. Thank you for watching at Shoes of Hollywood. See you next time.